So hello. To tell you the truth, I just started my day right now. Meaning, I didn't even do some stuff earlier. It's really tiring. It's really tiring lying in the bed whole morning and you know, wasting your time. So today we are trying to recreate this one right here. Thank goodness it is a bit simple. So to start off, we need some background of this light blue here or white like that, and the color is this blue here. Of course, let's make first this overlapping offset circle here. So let's do that. Let's double the size, then apply border radius to make this circular. Then center position, absolute margin auto, top 0, left 0, bottom 0, and right 0. Then push this to the top. So apply negative value here. We need an offset. Okay, 30. Okay, then let's do the same for these like mountains. Let's create a rectangle. So, but before that, let's rename this to C1. Simplify things. Then copy this two more times. The second C1 is C2 and this is C3. So copy this C1, paste, rename this to C2, and of course the width must be reduced, so maybe half, and this is twice, I guess. Let's find out along the way. So let's make the center first. Then the border isn't percent but pixel, so that we get this evenly shaped curve. Okay, so let's reduce that. Then push this to the bottom. So apply. Oh, works like magic. Then push this to the left. Apply also here a value, negative value. Like so. Okay. And do also this for the C3. Since they are adjacent or sit beside each other, big word, adjacent. Just invert this value, and we got mountains. It's a bit off, but let's admit this. I'm hungry. You know what? If not because of buying a meal, I'm still lying on the bed right now. It's already 4:30, 4 something p.m. I went out of bed. This is not good. Staying unproductive and scrolling on social media, it has no good effect